Hey, hey, little designers, it's time to play. We're learning design in a fun new way. With Missy and Cash, it's time to create, explore designs in different ways. This is gonna be great. Design Elementary, imagine, create. Yay! Design Elementary, we innovate each day. With Missy and Cash, we create and play. For our imagination to lead the way. Who's a designer? That's me. That's me. Where do we learn? Design Elementary.
Hey little genies, this is time to play. We're learning design in a fun new way with Miss C and Cash. It's time to create, explore design in different ways. Yay, are you ready? Let's go. Hey there, my mighty creators. I'm Miss C and this is Design Elementary, where we learn, create, and grow together. Now today's marvelous letter is M. Say M. M is for mood board. Can you say it with me? Mood board. Now let's spell it with a little bit of bounce. Ready? M-O-O-D-B-O-A-R-D. Mood board. It almost reminds me of the sound that a cow makes. Mood board. Other M words that you might know are music, milk, map, and mangoes. I like mangoes. Do you like mangoes? A mood board is like a treasure chest, full of your ideas. You can fill it with pictures, colors, patterns, shapes, words, anything that helps to show the feeling behind your design. Designers use mood boards to plan what they're going to create in fashion, websites, games, or even birthday party themes. Now, let's make one together. You ready? Let's do it on paper. Grab a magazine or draw some pictures. Cut them out, glue them onto your paper, and then voila! You have what is it called? A mood board. Your very own mood board. How awesome. Good job, friends. Now, mood boards aren't just about colors and shapes. They can also show you how you feel inside. Are you feeling happy, dreamy, excited, maybe calm or curious? Now take a deep breath with me. Inhale, outhale. Inhale, exhale. Now picture what your mood board might look like today. What colors would it have? What pictures? You're allowed to feel what you feel, but also know that you can change how you feel as well, because you are in charge of your emotions. Did you know that mood boards are used in almost every design job? Like every type. Fashion designers, video designers, all types of designers use them to plan clothing styles. Movie makers use them to set the mood for their scenes. Even website creators use them to show how a site could and should feel before it's built. Mood boards help you collect inspiration like a visual journal made of all of your ideas. Want to level one up? Now let's ask Gemini. Can you help me create a mood board for a robot? Let's see it. Good job. Okay, so now let's take your mood board and add one more thing. A word or phrase that inspires you. Maybe it's dream big, shine bright, or kindness rules. Your mood board is your starting point and a map for what you want your design and your imagination on paper to look like. M is for mood board. Collect and create. Your dream is big, your work is great. Use your mouth, your mind, and heart. That's how every designer gets started. Good job, friends. Give yourself a round of applause. But remember to subscribe, like, and share, and join all the fun at Design Elementary. And parents, don't forget to download today's activity. But one more thing. Do you remember what it is? You said it right. You're creative, you're a solution, you have a big mind, and you are God's gift to this world. Until next time, friends, bye!
I ask what if and why not now? I try new things and I learn how. I mix old ideas with something new, turning maybe into I can do. When there is a problem, I look and see there's a brand new answer waiting in me. Hey, I am an innovator. Big ideas now, even bigger later. I think, I try, I make, I test. Using my imagination, I do my best. I am an innovator. Big ideas now, even bigger later. I think, I try, I make, I test. Using my imagination, I do my best now. Data, 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 data. I am data, 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 data. I am data, 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 data. I build, I draw, I plan, I play. I see new paths in a brand new way. I don't give up when it gets tough. I try again, I'm brave enough. Every new question is a bright door. My creative mind is ready for more. I am an innovator. Big ideas now, even bigger later. I think, I try, I make, I test. Using my imagination, I do my best. I am an innovator. Big ideas now, even bigger later. I think, I try, I make, I test. Using my imagination, I do my best, yeah.
I am creative, I have a big mind. Colors and ideas that I always find. I draw and I sing and I dance and twirl. I am God's gift to the world. I am creative, yes I am creative, yes I am. I have a big mind and a bright, bright heart. I am God's gift, God's work art. I am creative, yes I am creative, yes I am. I have a big mind and a bright, bright heart. I am God's gift to the world. I can help others with the things I make. A kind little note or a big bold shape. I shine my light into things I do. The world feels brighter when I'm being true. I'm brave and I'm kind, I let love lead. God gives me ideas for every need.